In this example, we will take a look at the steps you will take when your pH is reading high. Always make sure that your test strips have not expired to ensure accuracy. First, you will remove one of your test strips from the bottle and have it ready to place into the water. Now take the test strip and place it under the water about 4 inches and leave it there for a few moments. We can see here that the pH is reading high, with the test strip showing a pink color and reading somewhere between the range of 8.0 and 9.0. You will also notice that the alkalinity is a darker aqua green color. High alkalinity and pH will often be seen at the same time and is usually present after a fresh fill with tap water. In order to decrease the pH and alkalinity, we will use the same product, pH down. Read the dosage instructions on the back of the pH down bottle. You will need to know the volume of your spa in order to calculate the correct dosage. As you can see here, when the pH is reading above 8.0, we will add 60 grams of pH down per 1,000 liters to the water. For our application, we will need to multiply the dosage by 1.5 to equate to our 1,500 liter volume. Once you have added the pH down, run the jets and wait 30 minutes before retesting the water. If your pH and alkalinity are still reading high, add more pH down as necessary by repeating the same procedure. You will also notice that the alkalinity is a darker aqua green color. High alkalinity and pH will often be seen at the same time and is usually present after a fresh fill with tap water. Adding pH down to lower alkalinity will also lower your pH. If your alkalinity needs to be lowered without affecting your pH, use the required pH down to lower your alkalinity, then aerate the spa right after. Aerating your spa is achieved by turning on the jets with your air switches turned on and running a 20-minute jet cycle. The standard jet cycle in a jacuzzi spa is set for a 20-minute timer. This will raise the pH again without affecting the alkalinity.